Okay, so let's start to make some changes. So open up form.js, add this line, import cookies. Okay, then after add another line, this. Okay, use to access the value of token. Then after, let's come here in insert. Okay, in insert we need to path token, insert article, add this. Okay, comma token. Then in API service, insert article, we need to path token, and here we need to put token. So this applies the same. So this is insert. So let's go on delete. Okay, okay, where is the delete? Okay, let's go to update. Okay, so here body. Okay, let's pass token. Then after here, okay, it should be token. Okay, so that is, it takes token, it passes here. Okay, and here we have so this is update. Okay, okay, so let me put something like this, token. Okay, okay, update article. Let me try out, let me refresh. We know that we are logged in as user Sarah, so let me try to update this. If we can update, okay, so we can update. So let's make some changes on delete. Okay, insert, update. Okay, so let's open up article list. Okay, on article list here we have PI article ID. So let me put here token. Okay, let me copy this. Ctrl S to save the changes. Okay, let me copy the token. Let me put it anywhere. I can put first of all, let me come here. Okay, let me put it here. Ctrl S to save the changes. Const delete article. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, so let me copy this and put it here. It should be here. Ctrl S to save the changes. Let me go on API service. Insert. This should also be token. Let me copy this. Contrast, save the changes. Let me come here, refresh. Okay, let me try to delete this. We can delete. Okay, we can update, we can insert. So let me log out and log in as James. There is user James. Okay, let me try out to update, if I can update by using James's token. Okay, let me try to delete. It's okay. Let me try to create another post. And then let me post it. So let me log out. Thank you guys for having me from the beginning of our tutorial series up to the end. This was Django and the React.js blog post. We have covered the all code application like create, view, delete, insert, and the log in and the log out. So thanks. Put comment below. How was the session? How do you feel like to create an amazing or awesome blog app like this? So the next thing to remind you, do not forget to like, put comment, and subscribe. But I've told you that I'll create a separate tutorial on register and log in Django and React.js, so as to make this thing very clear for you. Thanks. See you in the next tutorials.